I got a bad baby on my.
Presidential rolling. Yeah, you know my name, and you best believe I told it. Oh, man, I ain't talk to you, bro. I already know it. My name, and these bitches said I'm golden.
You gotta set me free.
Presidential rolling. Yeah, you know my name, and you best believe I told it. Yes, I be the name, and this bitch just said I'm goated. Hey, I just bought it yesterday, but drive it like it's stolen. Hey, that ain't enough money in your pocket if you can fold it. Big and chainy hurt my shoulder, $1,000 in my soda. Red Richard Coca-Cola, yeah. When you really getting money, you ain't gotta show it. Big ass rocks on me like boulders. Found my chips, not talking poker. Yeah, I turn up the song. My diamonds fight, my nigga wrist having a one-on-one. And my little niggas messed up like they had a coming cut. And I rip that nigga, I keep a stick, and I play with drums. Yeah, if you ain't made a M, you better get your one. Hey, when you run it up like this, it's when them bitches come. Hey, when you run it up like this, you better flip it too. Hey, I sip codeine, but I'll pop you like a chicken. I Mr. Glock, my money talk, and my pistol too. Say hello to a little friend, I introduce you. Pull the trigger, let it sing, yeah, just like Luther. Blue diamonds in my pinky ring, look like a Ruger. Presidential rolling, yeah, you know my name and your best. That was so hard. I just bought it yesterday and drive it like it's stolen. I think I might do gonna drop a little now.
Hey, turn it up, son. Yeah. Turn the beat up some more. Yeah. Money on my mind when I jump like a bed. Glock be the name and I aim for the head. Ran out of purple, went back to the red. Remember all the hating that shit they said. Boy, you gon' be dead in jail. Look at me now, I'm rich as hell. South Memphis shit, I'm a motherfucking player.
Yeah, right back on tour, that's a meal run.
I gotta get to that bread. These niggas just rapping, ain't did none. Can't believe shit that they said. Say I'm humble but still a kill some.
Nigga pay, he gon' end up
dead. I'm humble but still a kill some.
Nigga pay, he gon' end up. What you say?
You heard what Glock said, so that murder he wrote. I'm in between rapping and selling it dope. I post on the block with a stick and a coat. Cause who else gon' sell and go get out the bowl? Who else gon' get my little sister some hope? If I don't get money, then I'ma be broke. Cause how I'ma tell my little brother them no? Jump in that water, let's get it. Nigga must ain't read this shit on my pen. Yeah, I got a bundle of bitch that I be fucking, they say I'm a nigga. My nigga down on the block and I'm there every day. Cause goddamn it, I miss him. I play it quiet and cool and cut with these pussy knowing I kill him. Yeah, money on my mind when I jump out the bed. Glock be the name and I aim for the head. Ran out of purple, went back to the red. Remember all the hating that shit they said. Boy, you gon' be dead or in jail. Look at me now, I'm rich as hell. South Memphis shit, I'm a motherfucking player. Yeah, right back on tour, it's a meal, right? I gotta get to that bread. These niggas just rapping.
I don't understand.
South Memphis nigga ballin', I get every penny. 20 pointers in my mouth, they shout out to my dentist. I just did a meet and greet and signed a couple titties. If a nigga play with you, then it's gon' be a killing. Hit that little bitch from the back. I just bought a plain watch, but it cost $1 billion. I'm just getting money, tell them get up out they feelin'. Just turn the deal down